Dear family, friends, and colleagues, this is episode 48, part 3D in our video series, Enhancing Human Relationships Through the Fourth R, the Relationship Skills. And my name is Richard Solomon, and today's episode we will describe how to use the EIAG or the EIAG process to resolve a group conflict containing two or more participants. Now, let's share what the EIAG stands for when you're dealing with a group that has a conflict within itself. So the assumptions are two or more people are in conflict and they can't achieve their objectives until the conflict is resolved in a respectful and thoughtful way. And here are what the letters for EIAG represent. The E refers to an experience or an event that a group of people, could be two or more, find themselves in, where some event or experience is blocking them from achieving their goals, their task goals, or their relational goals of the group. The I represents identifying what the members of the group had seen, had heard, and had done. The A asks participants to analyze what they were thinking and feeling at the time when the group was blocked. And the G stands for what was learned about self and others. Once again, this refers to a conflict within a group of two or more people that seem unable to go and move on. They're just stuck in a conflict. So here now are the various steps in the conflict. Let's go over them. The first step, the E, stands for event or experience. Members must first become aware that they are experiencing a conflict, an event that is preventing them from achieving their goals. They must then agree upon reflecting on a particular event or experience that reflects the issue, one which clearly manifests the conflict. Okay, then we go to the I, identify. Each member is invited to identify what he or she actually saw, heard, or did at the time that the conflict occurred. Members always reserve the right to pass or not share information if they so choose. So what's the A? The A is to analyze, and each member is invited to analyze what he or she was truly thinking and feeling at the time of the conflict. And the G, each member is invited to do or state what he or she has learned about him or herself, other members of the group, and suggest ways to resolve the conflict. The two members or the group then, for step 5, select and prioritize the best solutions to the conflict. Step 6, the two members of the group implement the best solutions to the conflict. And step 7, if the conflict is resolved, the EIAG process ends. And if it's not resolved, unfortunately, they then return to the step 1 at the start of the EIAG process once again. Now, if you want a copy of the handout, this particular handout that starts over here, okay, the steps of the EIAG process, all you need to do is to either go to my Facebook page, Richard Solomon, or you can email me at rdsolomonphd@gmail.com. By the same token, if you have any questions about how the EIAG can be used for group conflict, or you have any questions about this series, please feel free to offer your response through my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, or my X account. Now, in our next episode, we will describe a new 4th R relationship building activity for groups of 2 or more entitled How to Build Consensus Through Using the 4-Step APCA Process. And as always, Jackie Saunders and I, my partner, who also helps me create these videos, we deeply appreciate your time to watch these videos and sharing your feedback with our series. In any case, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching the video, and bless your heart. Bye.